Hi, welcome to the video 25 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you're going to learn how to do the color matching for any of the two different clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can take a reference of any clips, guys. For this video, I'm taking these examples, these two. One is from one of the good Indian movie, Pushpa, and another is like a sample photo. So after placing your both clips, I'm just showing you for the images, even for the video files also, the process is the same. So once you added the clips into the timeline, make sure from which clip to which clip you want to convert. I want to make this picture into this color grading technique. So what you need to do, move the slider to the end result clip and click on this double arrows, then choose the comparison view. If in case you are unable to get this option, click on the plus symbol and from here you can get the comparison window. Simply drag and drop this into here and that's it. So now I open the comparison view. Even if you want, you can change depending on which aspects you like. I keep it like this. Now select the end result clip and go to the Lumetri Color Panel. Then click on Color Wheels and Match option. Make sure you enable the face detection as well and click on Apply Match. Boom! As you can see, now it is changed the color grading. Even if you want, you can tweak the settings as per your needs later. There is no no one is stopping to you. You can increase or decrease the highlights, and even if you want, you can go to the curves section and do some tweaks as per your liking. So this method works like as the basement for any of the clips, but make sure you match that to the another one. If in case it's not, it's really terrible to watch, but mostly it gives you a good stage like the basement to color grade even more further. So yeah, that's pretty much about the color wheels and match feature in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're watching from the past videos, you have already learned how to do the basic color correction, then how to apply the LUT file to your clip, and in this video you learned how to do the color match technique. These are pretty much very important and I can say like basic for anyone who wants to start the career as a video editor, and even if you want to edit your own videos. That's it. This is the basic structure. Once you are pro at these basics, later you can watch some more YouTube videos and you can do different color grading techniques as per your liking. So this ends up our color and visual adjustments section. In the next section, I'm going to teach some of the lessons that includes how to adjust the clip speed and duration, followed by how to do the reverse and time remapping clips, then creating speed ramps. The next coming 5 videos are totally about the clip speed and motion related things. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to the side of it so you never miss the future updates. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.